Jake Sanders on the Beefy Built YouTube channel here, and today we're with Luke. We got his truck and we got the trailer hooked up, so we're going to pick something up. We're getting a gambler car for the Tennessee Gambler. Hooptiex is coming there, so they're going to be doing racing, I think. So we're going to pick up something with a little bit of power. It's got a V8 in it. Should be able to spin a 31, 32 pretty easily, so we're gonna go get that tonight. Probably pull the diff out of it tomorrow and weld it up. So we'll get back to you guys once we get there. Well, we've picked up our new Gambler car. It's an Ls400. It's got a 1UZ, 4-liter V8. It's automatic, like all of them. Has a sunroof, it doesn't close, so this carpet's soaked, the interior's trash. It's a little rusty, not too bad. It'll do all right for what we're gonna use it for. I'll show you more pictures of it and videos of it once we're in somewhere that's more light. For now, we're gonna get out of the road because we're parked in the middle of the road to load it up. I'll catch up to you guys in a little bit. This is the LS we bought. It's got 2 flat tires. It's got a sunroof that does not close. Oh, the door hits the fender. The door definitely hits the fender. It definitely needs a lift kit. Interior is pretty beat. That driver's seat's definitely gonna be coming out. We'll put a bucket seat in there. We're gonna keep the factory seat rails though, so we can still have like tilt seats and stuff when we have a bucket seat in there. Needs a taillight. Find that at a junkyard, but should be pretty sick. Doesn't look to be in too bad a shape for $500. I'll show you guys the post so you know that we spent $500 on the $500 Gambler car. Yeah, 500 sold to us.
Does not have 110,000 miles.
No,
that's 240,000 miles.
Yeah, that's such fucking false advertisement. I mean, it needs a radiator because that one's cracked and JB welded, but other than that, it's in good shape. It bounces off rev limiter just like it should. That's all that really matters. I think we got a great car for $500, and I haven't even looked at it. Yeah. Cause these work.
All of them work?
I don't know. Let's find out. That one works. It goes back up. That one works, and it goes back up. Oh shit! My bad. The sunroof does not close.
Wait. Start up.
Is it living in the sunroof? Or is the sunroof making noise? I think it's moving on the sunroof tracks.
What?
The sunroof is.
Really?
Go stand on that side. It's coming from right in here. I am so confused.
That's the radio. That's the radio all day.
Is it? Here,
Yeah.
open the door. I was convinced there was an animal living in this car for a minute. So this thing keeps killing batteries. I mean, I'm sure it needs a battery, but we took out the radio fuses because the radio was making a bunch of noise. And we took out the antenna fuse because I don't want an antenna sticking up making this thing look like an RC car. Get in there.
Alright.
The upper control arm's super simple. So that'll be easy to make 4 inches longer. And then the lower control arm, super simple. It's just a straight arm with a caster arm that comes off of it. that'll be super simple to make longer. And the shock mount will be easy. Sway bar, we won't be needing those. So that'll just be none. I don't even have to build that into the new control arm. So this should be pretty easy to do. And we got a Spectre.
It's gonna come off first normal anyway, but it's got a Spectre.
It's got a Spectre. And I'm thinking a nitrous will go somewhere right there.
Yeah, we'll spray it like it's gotta come in sideways. Yeah. Spray it there, and we'll just run the line like through the door.
I'm sure we can find somewhere like right there.
We could just drill the hole through the firewall.
Exactly, it doesn't really matter. So, yeah, this thing's gonna be sick. We started working on the LS, started cleaning it out, and I totally forgot to film like a solid before of what this car looked like, but
it's still pretty bad, don't worry.
It's still disgusting, but we've already cleaned out like probably one trash bag. They're both half full pretty much, but it's gross. There's water everywhere. Radio doesn't work, but we found some sick cassettes. We're gonna try and get this back retracted so we're not getting the interior soaked all the time. Got the back seats out because I believe I'm gonna try and make a roll bar and put a brace across the back to strap belts through for the bucket seat. Oh, hell yeah. That's worth at least $5.
Take that to the pawn shop. Wait, you're making my seat move slow.
This one is not about it.
It's not moving. At all? That sucks.
Yeah. Alright, we made a little bit of progress. Got the carpet out, got the seats out. I didn't really film too much of it because I was just busy getting stuff done, sorta.
Found a pretty sweet trap music CD. Can't wait to listen to that bad boy.
Don't forget DJ Greg Nasty.
We got DJ.
Oh, you're dropping all of them.
DJ Greg Nasty. Daryl Coley. 12 best love songs.
Oh.
This man had some taste.
For the past like, I don't know, 30, 40 minutes, we have been trying to get the sunroof closed, but the motor was seized and all rusted. So we took the motor apart, found the shaft that had the gear that drives the worm gears on it, welded that to a socket, and now if we just stick that up into here, and I just slightly turn it, it slowly comes up.
I cannot believe this.
It took breaking it free a little bit, but it's definitely coming. Alright, I got the seat pretty much where I think it should be. I'm gonna wait till I can test it in the car before I weld these brackets in. Not exactly sure how I'm gonna weld them in. I'm sure I'll probably weld a bead along the edge out there, but I think I'll probably stick another something underneath, right in here, in between the two. Because I'd like it to have some support on the inside edge of it as well. Seeing as it's going to be holding us in place if we ever wreck. So I'd like it to be a little structural. We've got a little bit of work to do on the Ls400. I'm welding these brackets to the factory seat rail so we still have power seats. So I have the brackets tacked on there that I did last night just in the car to somewhat position the seat in somewhere that I felt comfortable with it being. Then I went ahead and cut out these plates that are going to slide in right here. Yeah, wrong one. I'm going to slide in right here, and then I'll just weld these in, and then it should be pretty sturdy. Pretty sturdy. Still got to do the fronts too. So the rear or the front brackets are on, all welded in. Got the plate on the back side of it so it doesn't fold over. Now to get a plate cut out for the front pieces right here and weld that in too. Brackets are all welded in. Got the plate on the inside of each one all welded in. So now I just gotta let it cool down and then I'll test fit the seat and then I'm going home to install this thing. We got the Ls400 in the garage. About to start tearing into the back end of it. Try and get that differential out. and hopefully we can go get it welded today, and Luke should be over sometime soon. We're gonna start putting the radiator in, and we got a whole bunch of other stuff from Rock Auto. I also went and grabbed a lower control arm from the junkyard that was bent on our car. Alright, after far too difficult of a battle, the Ls400 differential is finally out. It only took us like an hour or two. So now we're gonna go to HRG and weld it up. So we're about to weld the diff on the Ls400, so I'm cleaning it out, trying to preheat it a little bit and get all of the oils and stuff out of the differential. So Ls400's running. We got the bucket seat in there. It's all motorized. We got a sick misfire.
Really bad misfire.
We got flared fenders. We got a welded differential. I'd say it's about time to go do some donuts.
Yeah, we probably
There's some Nitto ridgegrapplers. They're like mint, like brand new. They're 18s. They're a 265/60 18. And we got some RX-8 wheels that I grabbed from Pull Apart today, which are 18 by 8, I believe, something like that. They got a 225/45 18 on them that we're gonna pull off and sell to put more money back into the car. Luke got these from the sky. That's where Luke got these from. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Next video will be us putting the lift kit on and flaring the fenders and the quarter panels. So go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe if you want to see that. Hopefully the video after that one will be us actually taking the car to Broken Nut off-road and actually beating on it. There's a few little mounds here and there out in like near the parking lot, so I kind of want to jump it just to see how it reacts to it. So look forward to that, and we'll catch you next time. Peace out.